Next up, Matt Kim. Many people know him. He's a wizard. He's a crazy installer. He used to work with Nick back in the day, and now he's doing his business on his own. And there you go, Matt. That's your crazy thing. Let's have a look at your current project. How many times have you rebuilt it in the last 2 years?
This car is about less than a year old. Done 2 builds on it so far.
Only 2, okay.
Yeah, 2.
Yeah, I've seen a few things because you have had some stuff happening here and there, some magical things. But currently you equally have something crazy. Can you please explain to us what you have?
Yes, so in these pillars I have the AMT U60s.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone knows them to be difficult to install aesthetically.
Yeah, what? Where's the pillar depth, right?
So I was able to sink them into the into the pillar.
It's mad.
And
we gotta show that to people because it's unbelievable.
Yeah. So this
magnetized
grill.
Okay.
Which
What
on axis.
Heck.
Nice wave guide.
That is madness.
Here's the back of the grill.
Oh, so the bottom it slots in.
Yep.
I see.
Slots in through this little flange here.
Yep.
And the top holds with one magnet.
Fuck, man. That's crazy. And you 3D scanned it, designed it in 3D space.
Yes. It's
mad. It's absolutely mad. Yeah, because you don't really come away from the OEM shape of the pillar much. I mean, maybe what, quarter of an inch?
Quarter inch.
Maybe that bit of change
right
of line, but it blends in amazingly. It's mad. It's absolutely mad. Okay, mid-range.
So the mid-range Steg MSS3s built in a similar fashion. So there is an OEM mid-range location here. So,
but how big was the OEM location?
So that could accommodate a 2.5 inch wide
That's
band.
what I'm saying, it doesn't look that big.
So if you look.
Yeah, if we can. Hang on, if I can just hold it with your right hand. Oh, yeah, it's very tight. How the heck did you get a 4-inch in there?
It was
magic.
The windshield.
I introduced the video that you're a wizard. Certainly. Yeah, mad. That's crazy. Okay, mid-base.
So in this vehicle, I started with door locations.
And it was a success, wasn't it?
It worked okay, but once you got up in volume, I couldn't stop the resonance.
Yeah.
So moved to kicks. I originally thought about an 8. Checked my space.
Well, I can't see it there.
Wow. Not really kicks. More firewall.
Yeah. So, the heck, what size is this?
So that's a 10-inch woofer.
Wow.
Full size. Full
Purify.
Yeah, Purify.
Madness.
One on each side.
Same thing, you scanned the space and then did all of the printing and everything?
Right. Yep, 3D scanned, built the baffle in 3D modeling, printed, installed.
Did you have anything in the way that you had to move from there?
If you look at the brake bracket
I can't really see from here, but yeah.
The brake pedal bracket is tight.
Yep, I see. It's mad. People would never think what you have there. Or about anywhere in the car, it looks very OEM plus. They should start the category for this for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't lose any foot space.
And then sub-wise.
Woofer in the back, trunk baffle, IB15 AU, Acoustic Elegance.
Okay.
Yep.
What's the hardware running it at the moment?
Currently run off bridged channels of an ARC 1000.6.
And the front end?
Front end, ARC 1000.2 for the 2 front woofers, 500 watts each, and ARC 1000.6 on the mid-range tunes.
The ESP?
ESP is Helix Pro Mark III.
At the moment, but I can spill a bit of secret away that you are planning some big project coming soon.
Yes.
You're going to change the hardware to something very tasty. We
Yes.
don't give that away just yet. I will have to find the chance to see you in the future, and then people can see your progress. Amazing stuff, man.
Thank you.